Good morning, class. I just briefly want to go over our agenda for today, January the 4th, a Monday. Here in your History Day folder, just going to take a look at the agenda real quickly. So there is a whole class Google Meet. Plan on attending that. We are going to today review the different types of History Day projects, otherwise known as the category. So that would be how you choose to present your information. Those of you who've done History Day before are familiar with at least one category. I also want to take a look at the due dates that are coming up. So next week, the week of January 11th, is a big week. We have research check-in number 2. Now I know that you guys are not quite ready for this yet, and that some of these components here, like your thesis statement, aren't quite available to you yet, but those are things that we will cover this week and going into next week. Also be aware that your group work deadline form is due next week, and that would be for those students that are choosing to work in partnerships or small groups. Remember that for group work to work, all students need to have achieved a level 3 on all components in a timely fashion in order to qualify. All right, I'm going to take a look real quick at this link that I've provided here in your Schoology page. So this is a link directly to the actual category page on the History Day website. So not only are there some good resources here for you guys to actually start building your projects, that's a little bit advanced for us for our purposes for today. Today, what I want you to do is to just go through and read a little bit about each one of the categories. Take some time to go into and maybe like view a particular website or read through parts of a paper or watch a performance or a documentary or view one of the exhibit boards that are pictured in this section here. But go ahead and find out some of the details about those different types of projects and think to yourself what would work best for you in terms of your own interests and talents. Think about some of the limitations that you will have with regard to each of the different categories. Some are certainly going to be easier this year than others, but all are available still this year. So I know some kids have been asking about the exhibit board. Can we still do one? Yes, you can. This year you'll be taking pictures of your exhibit board though, and you'll be making a brief slideshow to go along with that. So just know that these are available and we'll be talking about them in class today. So your only objective for today is to review those different project categories. Please come to the Google Meet and then be aware of these upcoming due dates. I will have check-ins today with individual students. I will also be available for help during your independent work time. I know some of you guys still have some catching up to do on notes and sources. So that's it. Have a good one.